So I have to ask you again, Kevin, what's on your wrist today?
Well, I'm wearing a Piece Unique Moser, and I'm going to take it up to the camera and get you a good shot of it because it's made of stone. This is jade, a dark jade and a turquoise jade. Let's just have a look if I can get this in focus. Yeah, I think so. Look at that. Isn't that spectacular? And I paired it today. It's unbelievable. You can tell that's a Moser. It's just beautiful. And I paired it today with a Seddiqi, also stone dial. And you can see the similarity there. And so this is tantalum, this metal, the Seddiqi, and this is steel, but they pair beautifully. And I'm a huge Seddiqi fan, and I'll tell you why I wear Seddiqi every time you and I are talking. First of all, I want to honor the region, no question about that, but also Seddiqi's a unique entity in terms of their support of up-and-coming watchmakers. And you'll see a lot of this in November this year at Watch Week. Hind, the daughter, kind of runs that, and I will be there, and I'm really looking forward to it. And a little sneak peek, I'm working with Seddiqi to make a Piece Unique Mr. Wonderful, and of course it will be tantalum, but it will have a red dial made of stone. There'll only be one of them in the world, and I'm extremely excited about it. Little sneak there. We will see it Watch Week, I believe, and I'm honored, absolutely honored, because we have amazing watchmakers. There are thousands of employees at Seddiqi. Seddiqi is, there's nothing like Seddiqi in the world because it's not just a watch dealer. It's the support of the watch industry in the region, but also incredible watchmakers so they can actually make a watch like that, the Unique Mr. Wonderful, and you can be guaranteed there'll be red elements to it. So that's my sneak peek, and I say to all of my friends that at Seddiqi, hello. I'm looking forward to seeing you soon, my friends. Take care.